Maayong buntag mga higala. So before the day ends, I just want to talk a little about our national hero. Since it is June 19, it is his day of birth. I guess you know who I'm talking about. It's Jose Rizal. And how do we say national hero in Cebuano? In Cebuano, we say Nasudnong bayani. Nasudnon is national, and then there's a linker G there, and bayani is hero. So that's how we say national hero in Binisaya. Nasudnong bayani. So Jose Rizal is the name of our national hero, our Nasudnong bayani. And he is one of those who fought against the Spaniards during the Spanish colonization. But his methods were not the violent, aggressive type. His method was all about writing, exposing the abuses of the Frailes against the Indios or the Filipinos. So that's the story of Jose Rizal, and he wrote 2 novels that exposed the abuses of the Frailes and the Spaniards towards the Filipinos. So that's it. June 19, 1861 is his birthday, and the province of Rizal is on holiday today because it's his natal day. Okay. Daghang salamat mga higala.